Yes, it's lovely that to read my poems. I'm very grateful to Kitab Khana, to my friend Ashwini, and all the people working for Poetry Life. Actually, what I thought was, in these days, that what is important is love. We need to love each other. We need to love nature. We need to love everything in so many different ways. So, this poetry of mine is dedicated to Earth as if the Earth is talking to us. So, I'll be reading my poem called The Earth. Let us talk softly, you and me, alone, all alone, before the sky breaks into light, before the dew evaporates. I will show you how to hear the landscape song, the greenness of each day that goes deep down, sets off the light that waits to be touched by remaining still, vibrating with love. Let us sit quietly, you and me, all alone, alone, all alone. I will show you how to see pictures beneath chaos, to taste pain which is sour sweet, your feet held by the power of Shakti, drowning in oneness by remaining calm, projecting love. Let us walk together, you and me, alone, all alone, and I will show you how to become the earth where all colors melt, where space and time cross, sieved through half-closed stars, and you know how to love. Well, and my second poem is called Smell, and I feel that, staying indoors, this facet of mine, or this thing of this smell has become very important for me. So this poem is called Smell. There are too many people hurrying towards the metro. Their body odor spill over themselves, mingle in the dusty air in soft slow motion. You hold my hand and we move away. My cologne douse smell, an explosion on your senses. Our bodies quiver like shooting stars and emit smell. I feel we are stuffed tomatoes sorted over slow heat. I come closer. You smell like green chilies and asafoetida. I come closer. I feel you don't smell at all of chili asafoetida. To the four winds I curse, which plays hide and seek with your smell, little realizing that they're cupids tantalizing me. I look into your eyes. Here and there are outcrops of oddities, lichen, and yes, smell. Not one, but many, one upon the other, one beside the other, one mingling with the other. Smell, spicy, cloying, distant, oppressive. Your eyes are ocean blue with decayed seaweeds smelling pungent and of deep substances. And then there is a clash of senses, smack of kisses, textured, grainy, soft, like luscious strawberries. Somewhere the blood runs deep, astringent, formidable like soldiers defending the land which smells of freshly cut grass. There is silence, no words, no sound, only smell, violent, delicate, drenching ourselves. You come closer to me, your breath, like hot chocolate, spreads over me. You ask me, do you feel anything? I answer, smell me. Thank you for being with me and hearing my poems. I feel so great, so honored. Thanks to Kitab Khana, Ashwini, and all the people at Poetry Live.